Hi, I'm Adrian from Micromega Dynamics. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to use the converter module to export a RECOVIB project in several formats. You'll then be able to open your measure with Microsoft Excel, Matlab or Labview, for example. We'll first select a RECOVIB project. Then we need to select the desired output format. As an example, we'll export to every possible format, so I'll check this checkbox and click the export button. Once the export is finished, we find the converted files in the RECOVIB project root folder.